Hi, this is Travis from Tenno Farms, and I'm out here today doing a video about mullein. That's what this plant is here that I found growing along the side of the garage. You can see the leaves here, and then it comes back up, and then these big stalks with flowers on them. I've got two of these plants that just kind of came up out of nowhere here. I don't really know how they got here. This one's actually pretty straight. The other one's got a weird shape to it. But mullein is supposed to be a very useful plant. I've never used it before since this is the first year I've known it was actually out here. I actually thought this was something else before, but I've never seen it get up big like this. I've only seen the leaves on it. But the mullein leaves are very useful for tea. What I've read about mullein tea is that it's very good for like a sore throat or a cough. It also supposedly has some antibacterial and antiviral properties. So if you get a cold or something like that, mullein tea can be very useful. It supposedly tastes good too. I'm going to have to try it sometime. I've never had it. I looked up a recipe for it, and it looks like basically it's just take the leaves and some tea bags and steep it in hot water for 15 to 30 minutes. You could put a little bit of peppermint or something in there, or maybe some honey if you like it. But it supposedly has a lot of medicinal benefits. Also, the oil from the plant, I think maybe that can be taken out of the flowers, has been shown to be helpful for earaches. And there's probably a lot of other uses for mullein too. I know when I was down in Tennessee at a foraging class, one of the guys there was showing using it to make torches. And he used, of course, the top of the mullein and dipped it in wax, and he could light it, and it made a great torch. It just burned for a long time. So there's so many things you can do with this plant. And it seems to be pretty hardy too. Because, I mean, I'm obviously not doing anything to take care of this, and it's grown right out of the side of the bottom of the barn. I've run into it with the mower several times, and it's still hanging on there. So if you're into herbal medicines and remedies like that, mullein is definitely something you should check out. Thanks for watching.